Hello everyone, welcome to the Pencil 2D animation tutorial. This is part 2, and today we'll be learning about the tools which are available in Pencil 2D software. Before starting with the tools, we must ensure that we are in the bitmap layer. You can see there are 3 layers: bitmap layer, the vector layer, and the camera layer. So we are in the bitmap layer. You can see this is highlighted. So here by default the pencil tool is selected. You can see pencil tool, the shortcut key is N. So when we come to this particular area, the drawing area, so pencil is selected, and if we left click with the mouse, okay, and drag the mouse, it will make this particular shape. It is a freehand drawing. Okay, we can even change the color. Okay, I've selected this. You can see that I've selected this red color. So this is the red color. We can also change the brush size of the brush, so the line becomes more thicker. Okay, and this pressure is when if we are using a pen tablet, then more the pressure, more thicker the line becomes. Okay, so these are the various lines we can draw. Okay, we can make it more thick. Okay, this is more thicker. Then I will just click here. It will just erase all the contents at a time of that particular frame. So we are in frame 1. As you can see, this is 1, it is written here. We are in frame 1 of bitmap layer. Then next we go to the, after pencil tool, we also have the pen tool. You can see this is the pen tool. Shortcut is P. So here also we can even adjust the brush. Okay. So this is how the pen, left click and just drag it, it will make a shape of whatever we want. This pressure is for, of course, if you are using a pen tablet. Then this anti-aliasing is if you want to have a smooth, you can see this you can compare this one. Okay, I've just zoomed by using the scroll of mouse. So this is not as smooth as this one. So if you check this anti-aliasing, it will make more smoother. So I'll just uncheck it. Okay, then we have the brush. We have the brush tool. Okay, so here we have, this is the brush tool. This we can increase the size. Okay, now this feather, it will make this lighter, more lighter. Okay, more lighter. Okay, so this is how we can use the brush tool. Okay, so these are the various tools. I will just click here to erase all at a time. Again come to the pencil tool. Okay, I just make a small circle. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, okay, I will just, sorry, you can just decrease it again. Circle, this is the circle. Now if we click on this particular bucket tool, okay, this is the bucket tool, and let us select this red color and click here. It will fill up the space inside this circle. It will make it as red. Now suppose if we select again the green pen and make this particular shape, and then come to the bucket tool, and if we select the blue color, this will make it as blue. And if we click it outside, left click outside, it will convert all the entire screen as blue. So this is what we learned, how to use the pencil tool, the pen tool, the brush tool, and the bucket tool. Okay, we'll learn other tools after some time, maybe in the next tutorial. Okay, now we will see how we can make a simple animation using pencil 2D. So let us do a simple animation. I'll just click here and erase all the things, and click on the pencil. I'm on the pencil tool, and ensure that we are on the bitmap layer. Okay, and we draw a simple circle. I'll just draw a simple circle. Okay, this is a simple circle. Okay, now in my laptop, actually, when I click on display, I get this. Maybe in your PC this display would be there already, but in my case, maybe because this size of the screen, I'm not getting this option. This will be there, but this, when I click on display, I get this thing. So if these things are there, okay, so what is this actually? I'll just put the mouse over here. It shows onion skin previous frame, so this is enabled, and this is onion skin next frame. Okay, so what this onion skin means, what is in the previous, what we have drawn in the previous frame, and this what was drawn, what have been drawn in the next frame. Okay, so I will just disable this. Okay, and disable this. I will enable this, okay, and this will show that this is a pink in color. Okay, so this what you have to do is enable this onion skin previous frame. This has been enabled, and this onion skin color is red is enabled. Okay, now what I do, I come to this bitmap layer and I just click on this plus sign. So this plus will take me to the next frame. So I am now frame number 2, and this you can see it has been turned red. So this red, it shows what was in the previous frame. So what I do now, I draw another circle here, okay, just adjacent to it but a little lower. Okay, same circle here. So this blue is the whatever drawn is now what I have drawn in this frame, and the red was in the previous frame. Then I go here again to the next frame. Oh, now I am in the frame number 3. Now this is what is being shown, what was drawn in the previous frame. So why this that we must know what was drawn in the previous frame, and we can continue this. Okay, I'll just continue going to the next frame, and with respect to the previous I just go on drawing this. Okay, I just continue drawing and it will show me the previous onion skins. Okay, this is the use of onion skin. Generally it will go, do you want to save the animation now? I will say no, I will never ask again. Okay, and I go on continuing this, okay, to the next frame and so on. You go to the next frame, okay, continue going to the next frame. Anytime we can also come back to the previous frame, but okay, I'm just going on again and so on. Then don't press this plus, this plus, it will continue what was drawn in the previous frame, and this will add a new frame. So we want to add a new frame. Okay, I'll just add this, okay, then this one and so on. Now let us run this animation. So here you can see this is the run button. Okay, start. So it appears that this particular circle is falling down. Okay, and if we press this particular icon, it will continue the animation, okay, non-stop. Okay, so this is a very simple animation. The same concept can be used to make a simple 2D animation. So this is what the traditional method is. Okay, we draw the diagram by our hand in each and every frame and run the frames. So by running the frame, it appears that it is actually falling down. Okay, so this is the very basic of the Pencil 2D. Now after making this animation, I can just stop, and here we have a file, we have options. We can export it to various formats. Either we can make an animated GIF, or we can also make a movie, we can make image sequence, we can make an image. So if I click on this animated GIF, okay, it will ask for options where, so I can just provide a path. Okay, like I can just here and pencil. Okay, I can just save it here, name it animation 1. Okay, and it has been saved. It will save it and will ask for width and height, and start from the last frame is 13th. Okay, so if there is any sound, so it will go up to the end of the sound, but because we have not added any sound frame, so we'll just click on OK. So it will just make generate the GIF. So this is the GIF. This is, so I can just go here and right click, open with I can Google Chrome. I can open this in a GIF, can be opened in a browser. So this is our animation. Okay, so that's how it works. So that's all for this particular tutorial. In the next tutorial we'll also learn about the vector layer and more animations. Thanks for watching.